Hey folks, what's up? If you're like me and obsessed with family haulers that don't skimp on the luxury, buckle up because the 2026 Lexus TX 350 just dropped some subtle magic that's got me grinning ear to ear. This thing? It's evolving into what might just be the ultimate three-row SUV for road trips, school runs, or whatever chaos your crew throws at it. Picture this. The front end's been refreshed with that sleek new unified spindle grille. It's all about slicing through the air like a pro, with these clever airflow fins and a roof spoiler that give it this planted, aggressive stance without screaming try hard. Wide track, bold lines, and oh man, that new Matador red mica paint, it's a deep, fiery hue that'll turn heads at soccer practice. Rocking 20-inch wheels standard, or step up to 22s on the top trims for that extra flair. Under the hood, the 2.4-liter turbo four-cylinder pumps out 275 horses and a stout 317 pound-feet of torque, smooth as butter through an 8-speed auto, whether you're hauling 5,000 pounds of trailer or just cruising at 23 mpg combined. And if you're eyeing efficiency, the lineup's got hybrid siblings like the 500H, but this TX 350, it's the pure, responsive gas beast that feels alive every time you mash the pedal. Off the beaten path, it's no slouch either. The available AWD with trail mode kicks in to tame slippery trails or muddy driveways, distributing power smartly so you glide over uneven stuff like it's pavement, no more white-knuckling it. Inside, pure bliss. That cabin's a sanctuary. Think whisper quiet with massive 14-inch touchscreen vibes, 7 USB ports so everyone's charged, and modular cup holders in the way back for the kiddos. Third row's legit spacious with real legroom, and cargo, 20 cubic feet behind it, ballooning to 97 when you fold them flat. New interior tweaks keep it fresh with crisp black wood trim and those cozy birch or peppercorn seats that hug you just right. Pricing kicks off at about $57,000. Yeah, a smidge more than last year's, but with these refinements to the ride, beefed up rigidity, and that multi-link suspension smoothing out every bump, it's like the 2025 was already a champ, and now it's leveled up without reinventing the wheel. Value? Off the charts for this much refinement and space. So, is the 2026 TX 350 the best luxury three-row out there? Hands down for families who want it all without compromise. What do you think? Game changer or not? Drop a comment, smash that like, and subscribe for more rides like this. Catch you next time!